Hello guys, in this episode I want to show you the build of AG111 Heinkel bomber in 1/48 scale. This project I start from gluing together the bomb bay segments and the cockpit. Also I start working on the wings connections and a few structural parts. All parts from these sections fit quite good together. After gluing together two parts of the fuselage, I always check the seam lines. I use for it marker. I like the black marker because you can see all the small holes in the joining line. After that, I start working on the engine. I use the parts from the kit. They were very good. Fit together very smoothly and with no problems. After gluing them together, I paint them and I start edit some more details like pipes, tubes. Then I start work on the engine cage. The fitting of the wing section was a bit problematic. Like you can see, the engine section doesn't fit together to the main wing section. So after gluing them together, I need to put a lot of sanding work on it, and after that, and masking with blue masking tape, I use Tamiya white putty to correct the shape of the wing. This plane has a lot of windows, so masking them was a big job. After that, I glue all the clear parts together. In this stage, the model was ready for the painting. I apply a primer coat of the Tamiya grey paint, and after that I edit some pre-shading on the downside of the airplane. Then I spray on the base color using very thin layers of the paint. This technique is easy and gives you a very good final result. For the top of the model, I use bleaching technique, the shift result of weathered paint. The decals in this kit are very good, so putting them goes with no problems. Using chipping and oils technique make the model look more weathered and realistic. The landing gear fitting is a bit complicated, but with the patience you can do it with no problems. The doors from the bomb bay and the gear bay was less big work on this model, and after that and editing few small bits, the model was ready for the final review. too, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next project.